giggled at the water's brink. Quack, 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 what fun they had, jumping in the puddles, never feeling sad. One flew high in the big blue sky, waving little wings as it said goodbye. Four little ducks, all chirpy and sweet, waddled on down with their flappy feet. Blue duck wore a tiny cap, spinning in circles, then took a nap. Quack, 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 what fun they had, jumping in the puddles, never feeling sad. One rolled over in a pile of hay, waving tiny wings as it flew away. Three little ducks in a row so neat, yellow one dancing to a happy beat. Twirl, hop, slide on a leaf so green, smiling the biggest you've ever seen. Quack, 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 what fun they had, jumping in the puddles, never feeling sad. One waved big with a cheerful sound and flew away above the ground. Two little ducks in the daisy patch, green duck wore a funny hat to match. It waddled left and then waddled right, then waved its wings and took off in flight. Quack, 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 what fun they had, jumping in the puddles, never feeling sad. One gave a wink, then flew so high, flapping and flapping through the sky. One little duck, the last to go, pink duck twinkled with a gentle glow. She blew a kiss to the sky so blue, and off she flew with a quack adieu. Quack, 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 they had their day, colorful ducks all flew away. But don't be sad, they'll soon come back with songs and splashes and a great big quack.